In this video, I'll show you how to put a PDF into ManyChat. So the best way is to go with the simplest option, and that is to just use a cloud storage service. Most of them offer a small amount of space for free, and if it's just a PDF or a couple of PDFs, you're probably never going to have to pay. So we can use Mega, Google Drive, iCloud. I'm going to use Google Drive for this. And what I've done is I've just made an empty folder, and I'm going to drag and drop my PDF into here. And what's important is you need to make sure your file is shareable. So on Google Drive, for example, what we need to do is click on More Actions. We'll click on Share or Copy Link. And if you do Copy Link, you'll see Manage Access at the bottom left. And you'll see here that only one person has access, which is me. And general access is restricted. We want to click on the restricted button and set that to anyone with the link. And then hit Done. Alright, so now that that is all set up, we want to go to ManyChat. We're going to click on Automation on the left. And I'll make a new automation for you. So on the top right, click on New Automation. And I'm just going to pick something simple here for an example, but you can pick whatever templates you want. And let's click on Next on the left. Okay, so from here, everything will be different for you. But again, this is an example. So we'll put in our opening DM. And when we hit Next, we'll have the option to put a message with our DM link. So we can add a link and we'll give our button a name. And if they click on that button, we'll paste our link and hit save. And that's what our button will look like. And that'll take them straight to the PDF, which they can then download. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.